Hey guys, Muka here. I'm just going to show you some of the trades that we took last week and how we're making money in this bear market. So this is MVIS. We took this as kind of like a swing trade, or you could scalp it also. I scalped it. The reason why we took this one, and there's multiple reasons, is there's a strong support right here in this area, and so we wanted to buy off this lower support level. Also, if you follow this trend line, we wanted to support this trend line, and if it dipped below this at any point, we would sell it. But as you can see, it bounced off this lower trend line and it climbed right back up to about 215, 216, and I actually sold it right up in there. The reason why I sold it is because I saw this resistance level right here, and it's been multiple resistances in the past. Once it breaks it, this could definitely continue higher, so this is a good swing trade still, but I just took it as an intraday trade. This is DARA, and this is on the daily chart, and you can see here that we have a nice setup for a swing trade entry. It broke out above it, it came back down and tested it, and now we're going to look to continue higher if you're swinging this. Once again, I took this one as more of a day trade, and I'll show you why. Here's a chart from Friday, and as you see, we consolidated for a little bit, and then we formed this little wedge pattern going up. I bought in at the break of this resistance level, and I sold I think right in this area, 138, 137. I could have got a little bit more out of it, but I just went to scalp this one, and that's fine. As you can see here, we're supporting off this 133 break line. It hasn't dipped below it, so like I said on the daily chart, it's still a fine swing trade. What we're going to look for on Monday is a continuation to the upside. It needs to go green. If it breaks down below this 133 line, that'll be a sell for our swing trade, and we want to get back out of this one. This is the daily chart on WPCS, and as you can see, this is another swing trade entry. We took this one on the break of this 77-cent mark, and we were looking for a target of $1 over the next few days. And as you can see, it happened in one single move, and it actually went higher than $1. So there's plenty of potential here. I sold this same day because of this big move. That's typically my strategy. If I see my swing trades go up a huge profit percentage in one day, I'll look to sell because it's obviously overextended and it'll look to pull back in the next few days. So looking on the 3-minute chart, you'll see what we were looking at. I was watching this on Friday and had a nice consolidation for most of the day for probably about 2 or 3 hours. And then once it broke out above it, I alerted the chat room, and I got in right here around 77 cents. And a few people got in earlier than me, and we rode this bad boy all the way up to $1. I believe some people got in out at $1.08. I took it at about 97, 98 cents. What else can we look for? If this wants to continue higher, we're going to need to break today's high a day. There's a little bit of a pattern here going. It's not 100% accurate, but we can definitely see a flag forming here. This could break out to the upside still some more and run higher for multiple days, but it could also pull back and come back and test our breakout point before it goes higher. So this could still be a good swing trade, but as I said, I'm already out of this one as well. If you want to receive nightly watch list, premium stock picks, and exchange trade ideas in our live chat room, sign up on the link below for a 99-cent trial and a discounted rate on your first month.